What's something that your dog does that you don't even think twice about? I'll go first. When your back legs fall asleep, one must do what one must do. These dogs are defying the laws of physics, standing and sitting at the same time. Wow! I guess that's his water bowl now. Giving the words personal space a whole new drooling meaning. I'm not sure if I should be amazed or terrified, but that's one strong dog. Further proof that when you get a dog, your personal space privilege gets revoked immediately. Not even the rubber band on the faucet can stop him. This has to be the only dog I know who sits so elegantly. Sometimes being a dog is hard, and here's proof. Did I say stop? Just wait for it. Not sure if this is an old man trapped in a dog's body or not. When your dog and your husband play like actual siblings. When you take your dog to the vet and they give you the incorrect software update. The easiest way to create an automatic bot scratcher. This is what happens when your dog watches too many Red Bull commercials. When you get caught stealing treats and try to disappear in thin air. Regular dog bowls are not his thing, but the bathroom sink definitely hits the spot. He learned how to become one with nature and also a Disney prince. Having kids may not be an option, but getting a dog and having to tuck him in bed sounds way more interesting. What was your favorite video? Why don't you let us know in the comments below? Check out this next video if you love dogs.